Peach fruit farming can be a unique and profitable business venture if properly planned and maintained with proper training. Peaches are prized for their juicy, sweet fruits and are widely grown for both commercial and home use. Peach cultivation yields profitable yields if cultivated properly. Apart from selling the fruit, peaches can also be processed to make various products such as jam, juice, and canned peaches. Dear visitors, today we will know how to make a profit by cultivating peaches. In today's episode, we will discuss in what environment, in what weather, and at what time we will get a good yield if we cultivate peaches. Peach is a popular fruit cultivated in cool and moderately hot climates. Proper climate, soil, and care are required to get a good yield from peach cultivation. Winter is predominant and a mild hot climate is suitable for peach farming. Loam and sandy loam soils are best. Soil pH should be between 6 to 7. 600 to 1,200 hours of chilling temperature below 7 degrees Celsius is required for good peach yield. Peaches are usually grown by grafting or grafting. Local nurseries or agriculture departments can be consulted for disease-free and good quality seedlings. Spring or late winter is the best time to plant peaches. First, the soil should be well cleaned. Then the hole should be made according to the amount of soil. Make a hole 1 meter deep and 1 meter wide. Before sowing the collected seeds, fill the soil with rotted cow dung, compost, and phosphate fertilizers. Then sow the seeds. Tree to tree should be planted at a distance of 4 to 5 meters. Regular irrigation is required at the seedling stage. Use 10 to 20 kilograms of rotted cow dung and 200 to 500 g of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash mixture. Fertilizer should be given every year according to the age of the plant. From the seedling till it becomes an adult tree, the plant needs to be properly cared for to ensure adequate irrigation during fruiting and summer. In the spring season, the tree blooms in March and April. Peach trees usually begin to bear fruit at the age of 2 to 3 years. But it depends on the plant variety, climate, and care. Proper care and planting of improved varieties can result in faster fruiting time. Peach trees bear fruit after 2 to 3 years. Fruits should be collected when ripe. Apart from selling fresh fruit, peaches can be marketed by making jam, juice, and canned products. 4 to 5 months after flowering, i.e. end of summer or the beginning of monsoon, June-August peach fruits are ready for harvesting.